We are cutting up hot water heaters that we've changed out, and we want to see what's inside. Each heater was changed for a different reason, so we're going to see what we got. We got this heater here. I'm going to cut it in half. I want to see what's inside, how bad it looks. There's another heater that we changed out. Keep it on low. If you start and you smell gas, it's always ready. Very easy to plug. So. That was fun. Wow, that's nasty. Whew. There's the node rod, and that's the plastic inlet. All right. This is the top, which is not bad. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. It's actually pretty clean. That node rod is nasty. Node rods are horrible. Now let's see at the bottom. See how bad this is. Okay. Not that bad. This is the bottom of the node rod. Shows you how much was left. Not much. It's very important to change out a node rod, guys. After 3 or 4 years, even 5 years max, you can change that node rod. If you wait any longer than that, you're not going to get it out. Alright, this was some nasty dust. I'm going to put a face mask on. This is so bad. Alright, so it's not that bad. Not as bad as I thought. Still has a little bit of that sheen on the interior of the heater, but it's starting to rust out on the corners. So, I think this heater is 2010? 2010, so 15 years old. Not bad for 15 years, man. I don't think they make it this good anymore. They did absolutely nothing for maintenance. Absolutely nothing. Alright. Let's try the next heater now. See what we got. Oh man, that was fun. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Oh man. Alright. Nice sharp edges there, huh? Dang. Insulation melted. I'm having some insulation. Oh, insulation sucks. Maybe it melted. It's not fireproof. They don't make things like they used to, boy. Look at that. Man. Look at that. Same thing on the other side. Not too bad inside. Let's see here. Same thing. Insulation is horrible. What happened? Man, that's bad. Tank looks good though. I don't know where it was leaking. I guess it was leaking right through that nipple because I don't see any of the openings. There, that looks like something. Yeah, that looks pretty bad. I don't know what that is right there. All these little pockets of stuff. I don't know what that is. It's interesting. That'll definitely start a leak. Here, here, over there, over here, over there. Man, see, installation wasn't bad here. That was rock solid insulation. I guess they used to do it better, huh? Nothing's the same anymore. What year is this? Serial number is, let's see there, oh, 2014. Well, this is 10 years old. So I guess, I don't know, man. This guy was spending a lot more money for hot water heater. Installation is a huge difference. Huge difference. Alright, let's check this guy out. Whoa. Well, that was gone. This was on my well. So I want to know what was in this thing. Wow. No bladder at all. Bladder is completely gone. Wow. I guess this is the top half and the bottom half is non-existent. Or I probably drank it. Yeah. I guess I drank the bladder. Or is this the inside? I gotta take this thing out. This might be the bladder on top. Yeah. This is probably the bladder here. This is the balloon here. So let's take this off. Let's cut this here. Yep, there it is. Okay. So it's not that bad. Not as bad as I thought. Let's look inside. Ooh, that's bad. Oh, that's nasty. Oh yeah. That's pretty bad. Look at the sand in there. Wow, look at all that sand. I was drinking that. Oh man, that is bad. What is this? This is plastic that holds the... Wow, that's bad. This has been in here, as I know of, about 10 years. So, that is bad. Look at that. Straight up sand. That's bad. Alright, well that was fun. Fun day full of adventure.